I tried to feed my neighbor. Yeah. So we have a burger joint in town, and man, they make some awesome burgers. Yes, they do. And I stopped by on my way home. I parked out here, got out of my truck, and I got the bag that everybody loves to look at. My next door neighbor, he looks over at me and he goes, "Did you stop by the burger joint?" I said, "Yeah." He's kind of slow. So I said, "I tell you what I'll do. You guess how many burgers I got in this sack, and I'll give you both of them." He sat there and he thought and he thought, and he finally goes, "4." He ain't right. He ain't right. He ain't right.